If you're on WhatsApp and you had a conversation with somebody, maybe you sent a message that you didn't mean to, the nice thing is you can always go in and delete that message. You can either delete the specific message you sent, the entire conversation, or you can also delete it for both you as well as everyone else in that conversation. I'll show you exactly how to do it and your various options. Open up the WhatsApp app on your iPhone or Android. And first, just navigate into a conversation. Now, within a conversation, we can delete messages that we have sent. If I press and hold on a message, I can see delete at the bottom. Just tap on the delete button and then tap on the trash can at the bottom left. And you can see it says delete for everyone or delete for me. However, if this doesn't show up for you, the delete for everyone option expires after 2.5 days or 60 hours. So it is not available for forever, and you can choose one or the other. Now, if I go into the other message that I sent in April and tap delete and then delete, you can see it says only delete for me. But there are some other cool options as well. Let's go out of here and let's say instead we wanted to delete the entire conversation. Tap on their name at the top here, and then we can scroll down to the bottom. You can see one option is clear chat. Essentially, this will delete out all of the messages within a conversation, but you'll still have that conversation or group chat with them. It'll just remove all the messages within them. However, let's say you completely wanted to delete out the entire conversation. A good way to do that is to just go back out of here and then press and hold on that message, scroll down at the bottom, and then just tap on delete chat at the bottom and then delete chat. Of course, you can choose to archive it instead if you just didn't want it to be in the main screen where you're chatting with people. Now, the last thing I want to show you is a cool trick if you tap on their name at the top. Another option is just to tap on disappearing messages. What you can do is have a message timer for 24 hours. Essentially, this means you can send a message. You don't need to delete it because it automatically will disappear or delete on its own after that time limit, 24 hours or however long you set. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.